Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to rant about why you should not put power strips outdoors. This power strip was outside and apparently this part was cracking, as you can see, and it was getting ready to spark right here. This was used outdoors to power a water fountain. And yeah, I had to show you guys this because power strips say do not put them outdoors. And this is why. Because cracking can happen when the elements are hitting plastic like this. You know, this part's all messed up. And it's like so brittle. It's getting ready to crack here. Surprisingly, it still worked. But you don't put power strips outdoors because of this. And two, it's exposed in the rain. So, and I'm still surprised it didn't even blow its guts up. I'm going to take this apart and show you the inside. I haven't actually taken this apart yet. I just want to show you guys why you shouldn't put power strips outdoors. Depends if I have to get the drill bit and get some screws out. I can even smash this up real easily here. Some of these screws are rusty. And I'm not kidding, this was outdoors for who knows how long. It's pretty old. Never put this stuff outdoors. Seeing that nowadays these power strips are absolutely garbage. Just made in China junk. Let me get another screwdriver. These screws are so stripped and old, and they're even rusty. Look at that. See how this part fell off? Never put them outdoors because the plastic on these things are very cheap. Look at this. Look at all those bugs and all that dirt. That's absolutely a fire hazard. Never put these outdoors. And there's all full of spider eggs. There's that cheapo board that tends to fail right away. These are never a true surge protector. It's just a bunch of ceramic disc capacitors that just pop its guts out. This is garbage. Never get these cheapo power supplies, and this doesn't have a brand, but there's a lot of cheapo power strips like this. No, I got more over here. This one I had for a long time. It hasn't acted all up or anything. This has been around for a long time. This is another generic brand. This guy still works. And it's purple. We had this for like a long time. Yeah, I know this one's got that same thing, but eventually it'll cause surges. There's a lot of power strips out there nowadays. There's this other one too. Apparently I heard some people complain about on YouTube. I heard a guy complain about one of these power strips failing. I guess there was a refrigerator and a microwave hooked up to this. And then, yeah, it ended up failing and it caught on fire. Watch out with these power strips. All I have to say is just watch out. Because you don't want your house to burn down because of these faulty pieces of junk. Getting ready to start a house fire. And there's some like this too. But this one is actually still good. I actually had this for like 8 years now. And it was used mostly for the desk we had for the computer. It's got a ground light. But this is from 2008. It's still kind of cheap. cheap pieces of junk. And there's this other one that took a lot of abuse with welding. By the way, I did not do this. This was just given to me. I hardly use this guy, so yeah, it's all weathered. This was also outside, but it was in a shade compared to this guy. How it's all exposed. And then see the plugs up here? Look how rusty that is. This is why you don't put power strips outside. This could also happen, and eventually these prongs will break off their plug. And the power strip body itself will start breaking like that, and then there goes your exposed contacts. You don't want that. This is why power strips tell you do not use outdoors. Let's see, I'm gonna see if it's on here. Look, attention, for indoor use only. That's what this power strip says. For only indoor use, not for outdoor use. Always listen to that information. Otherwise, you're going to be expecting all kinds of bugs and all that other stuff getting in here. And when these spark, if it sparks up like that, the pile of bugs or old stuff on fire in here, and there goes your power strip on fire, getting ready to burn your house down. And then also these guys don't even do their job. They just blow holes in them and they catch on fire. This is why you don't use these pieces of junk. So yeah, that's my ranting of the power strip, why you should not put it outdoors. I'm just telling you guys, never put that kind of stuff outdoors. Apparently this blew in my yard. This lantern. If you're wondering about that too, on my table. It's been so windy here almost all year now, to the point that just blew in my yard. If you're wondering about that plastic noise. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned why you should never put your power strips outside. I'm telling you, never put those devices outside. And see you later, all you